Hi berries! Welcome to Berry Gems, where you can find your best beauty. Berry Gems is here to help you. Today I want to create a fresh and transparent eye makeup look. These are some products I just unpacked. Now, let's try a new product on the face. Starting with a primer, this one from Kaitan. Using this salmon color to cover the dark circles. Applying foundation. This is a newly unpacked product. I've only used their lip oil before, so this is my first time trying their foundation. It has a pleasant fragrance. Sweet smelling. This shade is 01 Fen White. It feels a bit light. It has a slightly pale matte and soft misty makeup feel, not particularly moisturizing. This is a slightly pinkish expanding color. I forgot about this brush. Unpacking a new brush. Using a small brush to apply. Quite stiff. I've used this Laura powder a couple of times since the last unboxing. It's still considered a new product. I like this kind of powder with a bit of concealing effect. It makes the base makeup look cleaner. These two brushes should both be powder brushes. Using the remaining loose powder in the lid. Brushing it all over the face. Unpacking a new eyebrow pencil. This one is khaki colored. Khaki color 03. My eyebrows are basically missing a tail. Just need to outline the shape of the tail. I quite like this color. And this eyebrow pencil doesn't crumble. For contouring, I still feel this one is the best to use. First outline the shape of the eye socket and the double C area. Then use a flame brush to clean it up. This blush came with the loose powder. It's this orange-brown tone, with a hint of fine shimmer. This is a retracting color. Brush it on the cheek area without bringing it too close to the center of the face. It already has a natural sheen. Soft skin. This blush looks surprisingly good on the face. It gives a very natural, subtle orange tone when applied. This shade is Fresco. For eyeshadow, using the CD Cyber Age palette, I directly picked a large piece out. Starting with this color as a base, using this shade to deepen the double eyelids, then dipping into this turmeric color, using a knife brush with this reddish brown color. Highlighting with this small Odin 01 shade. It feels a bit more transparent. Highlighting the area connecting the corner of the eye. For lashes, I mixed these two. First, attaching a cluster of natural ones, then interspersing with a slightly denser cluster, single cluster style, and this is the result. Layering the blush on the cheek area. Blending with the previous blush. Using the CD lipstick in the shade Kiss Mark. Finally, using a matte highlighter to set everything. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.